Hello everybody, today I've been giving you pleasure to unbox the new Warmco ultra thin desk fan. This is the model D4. I've recently been given this just to give a simple unboxing and just to showcase a whole lot of different scenarios on when this product would be most optimal and most appropriate. And you could about use it for everything. I could use it right now as I'm making this video. Anyways, you have access to 20,000 megahertz, meaning that that's a battery capacity of up to 48 hours of runtime. Beautiful box, by the way. Right here is their little Amazon link where you can purchase this beautiful product. This is how the product will be. This is what exactly it looks like, the interpretation. This is what's included, that being the USB, the desk fan, all that good stuff. Anyways, we are given 4 different speed, a digital display LED, Type-C charging, and of course outdoor lighting, because this can be used for just about everything. So first thing you get when you open it is the Warmco. I believe this should be the Lightning C charger, if I'm not mistaken. This is if you want to access the functionality, and so this is a really small screwdriver with also extra screws if you ever need it, and then the Lightning C charger with an extra head just in case you don't have access to this. Then you can just use another Lightning C and you could easily switch it like this, which is phenomenal. And then of course for the actual fan that is ran on battery life and not just on access to electricity, here it is. It of course has the lighting over here that you can access by just clicking the lighting. There's 3 different modes. The 4th click would close it. There's also this little thing here that looks like a question mark. This is how you'll be using the thing to actually hang it whenever you need it. So you could just hang it on something if you imagine, and then it would be held like this. And when you're done, you could just close it. You can also pop this open by just taking the clip off, and it will give you access to this, to which then you can do something like this. If you want to do this, so you could have the light in front of your face. You can also hold it like this, and when you're done, just close it down. And for the actual fan that has up to 4 different speeds, by just clicking it once, 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, this will be the highest. There's also a light mode, as you can see, so you can have both on. And there's also a digital display right over here saying that it is currently at 43 battery percentage. So you can just imagine having this on with the battery on in the woods, for all I know, in a tent, outside in your car, whatever it is, and then it's just constant air. There's also the, again, digital screen saying that it's on 43%, which is beautiful, and then you have access to do different heads, which is great. Also, if you want to fix anything and about the functionality, you have this with 2 extra screws, if you can see there. But yeah, that is pretty much it for the Warmco ultra thin fan model D4. I'm going to now head over to the next scene and just show you guys where this could be used. That could be a car, could be used when you're eating, it could be used anywhere, and that's the beauty about Warmco. That is pretty much it. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in a second.